Here's a board installed in the 30L1 Alexa stop. So yeah, we got the board in here and put it back together and see if it runs. Collins 30L1 with this board from eBay for about $73 delivered. I think it's a great deal actually, because I didn't want to repair the old stuff. So, yep, you might as well put the board in and take out this stuff. So now, let's see if it works. I'm going to put the covers back on just in case it explodes. You never know what can happen. So yeah, I soldered the resistor right on here, which goes to the high voltage network. Put the cover on, get that shorting tab down, and see if this thing will go. Should get 2000 volts from the meter, which is falling out. And see what this thing will do. If that works, I guess I'll pop the tubes back in it and see if it has any power. Actually, I don't have a foot switch for it, so maybe not. Okay, and I gotta clean up the relays probably and all the contacts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.